Alright guys, good morning. Another chance at some geese this morning. I'm in the resident population zone, resident goose zone. And yesterday, January 31st, they came back in till I think February 2nd, along with snows. So you can see I got to spread out a mix of Canadas and snows just to kind of get some numbers. Probably got a little over 50, probably about 55 decoys out between socks and shells. So Canadas have been flying in the last couple of days, a couple groups here and there. So kind of hoping that maybe this morning get a couple to cooperate here. Haven't knocked any geese down this year. We got that one duck. So my brother was out yesterday down here hunting for coyotes and fox, and he did see some geese fly over. So he's in a coyote fox competition this weekend. So he's out this morning in a different spot, and I'm in here. So we'll get with you if we get anything.